Hello, this is Manjunath Karur. Welcome to Karur's Biology channel. In this video, we're going to start ecosystem chapter. Ecosystem. The important topics comes under ecosystem. The important topics comes under ecosystems are: first one is what is ecosystem, and structural and functionals of ecosystem. First important topic is what is definition of ecosystem and structure and function of ecosystem, and second one is that is productivity. It is the productivity, and third important topics comes in this chapter is energy flow. It is a energy flow. Energy, how the energy is going to flow or transfer, that is a food chain and food web. Food chain and food web comes in energy flow, right? And the next one is ecosystem structural and function, next productivity, next energy flow, next is energy pyramids, and types, and next one is ecological succession. That is a both xeric succession and hydric succession. And next important topic is it is nutrient cycle. It is phosphorus cycle and carbon cycle. And the last important topic in this chapter is ecosystem service, right? And these are the important topics come under ecosystem. One is ecosystem definition and structure as well as functional of ecosystem. Next productivity, next energy flow and energy pyramids and its types. Next ecological succession, it is a xeric succession as well as hydric succession. Next nutrient cycle, it is a phosphorus cycle and carbon cycle. Next ecosystem service. Let us discuss one by one. In this one, let us discuss one by one. What is ecosystem? Let us discuss one by one. What is ecosystem? The term ecosystem is split into two words, means eco means environment. Whereas a system means independent complex. The term ecosystem was split into two words. One is eco means environment, whereas system means independent, complex. Let's look at next definition of the ecosystem. Definition of ecosystem is the basic functional unit of ecology, is a basic functional unit of ecology in which both biotic and abiotic components influence each other. Is called ecology. Ecology means it is a basic functional unit of ecology in which both biotic and abiotic components influence each other, is called ecosystem. This is the definition of ecosystem. Next we look at we will discuss later what is abiotic component as well as what is biotic component as well as abiotic component. Next we move on to the classification of ecosystems or types of ecosystem. Ecosystem is majorly classified into two types. Ecosystem is majorly classified into two types. One is natural ecosystem and second one, first one is natural ecosystem and second one is artificial ecosystem. Is a artificial ecosystem. Ecosystems are classified into two types majorly. One is natural ecosystem and second is a artificial ecosystem. Again, the natural ecosystems are classified into two types. One is terrestrial ecosystem. One is terrestrial ecosystem and second one is aquatic ecosystem. Again, the terrestrial ecosystems are classified into three types. Terrestrial ecosystems are classified into three types. One is grassland ecosystem. And forest. Second one is forest ecosystem. And third one is desert ecosystem. Terrestrial ecosystems again classified into grassland ecosystem, forest ecosystem and desert ecosystem, whereas aquatic ecosystems are classified into majorly two types. One is freshwater ecosystem. And second one is marine water ecosystem. Marine means salt containing water, right? It's a fresh containing. The salt, more salt concentration is present. Example is ocean or sea, right? Sea ocean, right? Whereas freshwater ecosystems again classified into two types. One is standing water ecosystem. One is standing water ecosystem, or it is called lotic ecosystem. Second one is second type of freshwater ecosystem is running. It's a running water ecosystem. It is called lentic. This is about a classification of ecosystem. Next, coming to artificial ecosystem. Artificial ecosystem is nothing but it is a man-made, or it is a man-made ecosystem. Examples, man-made ecosystems examples are cropland, garden, aquarium, etc. Is a man-made or artificial ecosystem. This is about classification or types of ecosystem. Types of ecosystem, one is natural and second is artificial ecosystem. Again, natural ecosystems are classified into terrestrial one and aquatic one. In terrestrial, again, three types. One is grassland, forest, desert. And whereas in aquatic, freshwater as well as marine water ecosystem. Whereas in freshwater, that is standing water as well as running water. Standing water is nothing but lotic, whereas the running water is called as lentic. These are the types of ecosystem, right? Next, move on to the structure and function of ecosystem. Next, move on to the move on to the topic structure and function of ecosystem. Next is structure and function of ecosystem. Structure and functions of ecosystem. In this structure and functions of ecosystem, mainly first is productivity. Is a productivity, and second one is energy transfer, and third one is degradation. One is degradation. All right. This is the structure and function of ecosystem. Right. I already told the ecosystem is consists of both biotic as well as abiotic component. Right. Biotic as well as abiotic components. Let us look at next. We're going to start what is abiotic components for biotic components.